Good morning, students. Today's subject is algebra, and we are going to start with third chapter polynomials, and we'll start today with practice set 3.4. Now, student, practice set 3.4 is based on the concept value of polynomial. What is value of polynomial? In a polynomial, if the variable is replaced by a number, then we get the value of that polynomial. So I'll explain this with an example. I've taken p of x, that is polynomial in the variable of x, equal to, this is the polynomial, that is 2x square minus 3x plus 5. Find the value of polynomial for x equal to 2. Means that the polynomial with variable x, that is 2x square minus 3x plus 5, you have to find the value of this polynomial when the variable is replaced by 2. So, students, let's substitute the variable x by 2. So, I'll write polynomial where the variable x is there, you have to substitute the value 2, equal to, in the given polynomial, you will substitute, will replace the variable x by 2. So it will become 2 into 2 whole square minus 3 into 2 plus 5. Now you have to solve this polynomial. So you know 2 into 2 square will be 4 minus 3 twos are 6 plus 5. So what you get? 2 into 4 minus 6 plus 5. So first you'll multiply 2 into 4, that is 8 minus 6 plus 4. So you will solve 8 minus 6, that is 2 plus 5. So 2 plus 5, 7. So the value of the polynomial will be 7 when the variable is replaced by 2. So you'll write down p of 2 equal to 7. The value of polynomial when x equal to 2 is equal to 7. This is what is find the value of polynomial. Now students, if p of x is a polynomial in x, then the value of the polynomial for x equal to a, means the variable x is replaced by a, then it will be written as p of a. Student, you have to remember this while solving the exercise. To find the value of a polynomial for a given value of the variable, put the value in the place of the variable in each term of the polynomial. So let's start with our practice set 3.4. So what is the first question? For x equal to 0, find the value of the polynomial x square minus 5x plus 5. So our solution is, first you'll write down p of x, means the polynomial with the variable x is given. So you'll write the polynomial with which variable it is given, it is x. So you'll write down p of x equal to the polynomial which is given, that is x square minus 5x plus 5. Now we will substitute, will replace this x variable by 0. So wherever the variable x is there, we have to replace it by 0. So our next step will be p of 0 equal to 0 square minus 5 into 0 plus 5. So you know 0 square is 0, minus 5 into 0 will be 0, and plus 5 will remain as it is. So we'll solve this. So you'll get the answer, student, that is 5. So the value of the polynomial when x equal to 0 is equal to 5. So I'll write down like that, p of 0 equal to 5. When polynomial with variable which has this one variable value is given as 0, then the value of that polynomial will be 5. Now let's move to second question. What is given in second question, students? If p of y equal to y square minus 3 root 2y plus 1, then find the value of the polynomial with 3 root 2. So students, we'll start with our solution. So we'll write down first polynomial p of y is equal to y square minus 3 root 2 y plus 1. So in place of this variable y, you'll replace it by 3 root 2. 3 into root 2, that is p of 3 into root 2 equal to. So y square, so it will become 3 into root 2 the whole square minus 3 into root 2 will write down as it is. Now you'll replace this y with 3 into root 2 and then plus 1. Then our next step, students, what will happen? Now here 3 square. So this square will go to this term also, this term. So 3 square into root 2 square minus, we'll multiply this coefficient here, 3 into 3, root 2 into root 2 plus 1. So you know 3 square is 9 and root 2 square will be 2 minus, the minus sign minus, 3 3s are 9, root 2 into root 2, 2 plus 1. Now let's solve this. So 9 2s are 18 minus 9 2s are 18 plus 1. So our next step will be 18 minus 18 plus 1. So now students, you know this will cancel as it is opposite and with opposite sign. Same number with opposite sign, it will get cancelled. And that is 18 minus 18 will be 0. So the answer would be 1. So final, you'll write down p polynomial when the variable y has value 3 into root 2, the value of that polynomial will be 1. Okay, students. Now, students, let's move to third question. What is given in third question? If p of m equal to m cube plus 2m square minus m plus 10, then find p of a plus p of minus a. Here two terms you have to find p of a plus p of minus a value. Means we have, so here the variable m is replaced by a. So students, first let's find out first p of a, then we'll find out of p of minus a, then we'll combine both this answer. So p of m equal to m cube plus 2m square minus m plus 10. So p of a equal to, wherever the variable is m, we'll replace it by a. So a whole cube plus 2 into a square, then minus m is here, so it will be replaced by it is minus m, so it will be replaced by minus a and plus 10 as it is. So our next step will open the brackets and we'll write down the answer. So a cube plus 2a square minus a plus 10. Let's put this as relation number 1. Now let's find out individually p of minus a. So p of minus a, wherever the variable m is there, let's replace it by minus a. So minus a cube plus 2 in bracket minus a square minus in bracket minus a plus 10. Now student, one thing you have to remember that when there is negative and the exponent, that is indices, is odd, then the negative sign will be as it is. So you'll get the answer value with negative when you'll remove. Okay, and when the exponent is even, then it will become positive. So it will become minus a cube. Now plus as it is. So 2 in bracket minus a square is given. So I said it will become positive. So it will become a square. So 2a square. Now minus into minus will become plus a and plus 10. So this will give equation number 2. Now what we have to do? P of a plus p of minus a value we have to find. So we'll add both this equation 1 and 2. So adding equation 1 and 2, so you'll get p of a plus p of minus a equal to a cube plus 2a square minus a plus 10 minus a cube plus 2a square plus a plus 10. You have to put the add this both the equation. Now students, next step, let's arrange the like terms. So arranging, you got a cube minus a cube together we'll put 2a square and plus 2a square together, then minus a plus a and plus 10 and plus 10 over. So we have arranged the terms. So after arranging the terms, students, you can see this is a cube plus a cube minus a cube. This will get cancelled. Now you can see this will not cancel. Plus 2a square plus 2a square, both are with same sign, will not cancel. This is with opposite sign, minus a plus a. This will also get cancelled. Plus 10 and plus 10 will remain as it is. So now this will add up. This two terms will add and this two terms will add because they are like terms. So your answer will be, students, 4a square plus 20. So P of a plus P of minus a equal to 4a square plus 20. Final answer you have to write this way. Now student, the last sum of this exercise. What is given in fourth sum? If P of y equal to 2y cube minus 6y square minus 5y plus 7, then find P of 2. So you have to find when the variable y has the value 2, find the value of the polynomial. So let's move to solution. P of y equal to 2y cube minus 6y square minus 5y plus 7. So in place of this variable y, let's put 2. We will replace it by 2. So P of 2 equal to 2 in bracket y, in place of y we'll write 2 the whole cube minus 6 into y we'll write down 2 the whole square minus 5 into 2 plus 7. So now students, first we'll write down 2 into 2 cube will be 8, then minus 6, 2 square will be 4. So 6 into 4 minus 5 twos are 10 plus 7. So let's solve. So 2 into 8 minus 6 into 4 minus 10, that is 5 twos are 10 plus 7. Now we'll multiply these two terms, and we can solve these two terms. So it will become 16, 2 8s are 16, minus sign, 6 4s are 24, then minus 10 plus 7. So minus 10 plus 7 will be minus 3. Now we will solve this. That is 16 minus 24 minus 3. So you can see these two terms have with same sign. So we can solve this first. So it will become 16 minus 27. So now you can solve 16 minus 27. That you will get answer minus 11. So the value of the polynomial is minus 11 when the variable is replaced by 2. So we'll write down final answer P of 2 equal to minus 11. I hope students you have understood how to find the value of the polynomial when the value of the variable is given. So thank you students. Stay home, stay safe.